Okay, hi. So as the title says, I'm going to talk about, these are the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencils, and I'm going to show you which ones they are. And also I'm going to talk about the MAC and the Maybelline, because these are the only ones I have, but these have a different name. These are paint sticks. And the Maybelline, it has a different name too. These are cream shadow sticks. So, yeah. So I have different ones. I don't have all of them. There you can see the color. But I'm going to review over them. This is called Black Bean. Just as the name says, there you go. You see it? It's black. It's a paint stick. So you can use these ones either by themselves, or you can use them with a paint pot or an eyeshadow base and just paint on it by MAC. I know Maybelline comes with paint pots too, their own eyeshadow bases. L'Oreal has an eyeshadow base, but it comes in a wand, and then Urban Decay has their wand that is an eyeshadow base. Okay, so this one is in Black Bean, and just as the name says, is black. And look at the pigmentation. You can make like a smoky eye with this one. And these eyeshadow pencils or paint sticks or whatever, these are mainly a base before you put your eyeshadow. So for instance, for me today, what I did was I put these ones down. I used Strawberry Milk, and it's a pink. Let me put it alongside. It's a pink. It's very pretty. It's a baby pink. And I put it all over my lid, but before that I put Painterly by MAC. And then on top of that I used the trio from Wet n Wild, and it's the Walking on Eggshells. And I used the bottom one, the one that says eyelid, and it's very shimmery pink. You see that? Then on top of that I used soft brown and then brulee. But the eyeliner I used, I'm going to show you. I used Slate, which is a gray one. So you can even use these ones as well for if you wanted to as a waterline. That's what I did today. Or you can use it for your eyeliner on top. So this is a gray one. And then I used Black Bean today for my waterline. A little bit though. I don't know if you can tell. That was great too. And then I have this one. This is French Fries. And this is very pretty. This one is a bronzy color. That's the best way of me describing it. And you can use this one with, if you have the Urban Decay. I have this palette. I don't have more palettes from Urban Decay, but I would suggest Smog. Sorry, it fell. The eyeliner. And that's a very pretty color that you can pair with. So that's cool, you know. Okay, next one is, let me put it away. I have the purple. It's called Purple. I'll give you a swatch. But this one is more like a bright purple. So if you have, I think it's called Flash by Urban Decay, you can wear that one. Or you can wear the purple that would be pretty to go along with that one is Makeup Forever's. I don't know the number because I don't have the eyeshadow, but I heard that one is great. And then obviously this one is Milk. It's a white one. This one is very pretty. This one would be great as a base to put on your eyeshadow. But let's say you have, I'm gonna give you an example. Because I'm wearing green. You have this eyeshadow, right? And it's kind of like a mossy green, and this is by NYX, and it's called Green Ice Pearl. So I'm always having a hard time opening these eyeshadows, so I'm gonna use my helper. And let's say for instance that your eyeshadow is a little bit too dark, but you don't want to spend money on a lighter eyeshadow. All you do is, because I want to make sure I get it close to the camera. Hold on. It's like you needed to put it on top, right? And look at the eyeshadow. It's going to change. You see how it became lighter? And I'm going to give you a swatch just of the eyeshadow by itself. Obviously, you have to blend in the white one, but there you go. And I'm going to show you blend it so you get a difference of how it's going to look on your eyelids. Because it's like you want to save money. You don't have to really spend money on a lot of eyeshadows. So this is the one by itself, and this is blended together. So it gives a different look. So you don't have to spend money. There you go. Okay, now these ones come in a different packaging as silver. I don't know why, but this one is called bronze. And I'm gonna put it right here. This one is bronze, like bronze. This one is much more of although it's bronze, but it's more like a brown color. This one is much more of it has that reddish undertones in it, and it's pretty. I think it's very pretty. There you go. You see the swatches? This one is bronze right there, and the other one was called French fries right here. Okay, the next one that I have in the same packaging is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Now this one, let me see. Let me put it alongside this one right here. This one, I'm not crazy about the smell though. This one doesn't have a scent to it, but this one does. Okay, so anyways, this one actually smells like cottage cheese for real. It's like, how do I describe this one? It's white, but it has silver in it. This one right here. You can't really tell. There you go. You see the shimmers? Yeah, it's white with silver. Okay, so that's NYX, right? So I'm going to do the only Maybelline I have. Now, if you don't have a green eyeshadow base, if you don't have your eyeshadow base color that goes along with your eyeshadow, don't worry. Just use a white one. Okay, so this one is the only one I found. I think it was a limited edition. And right now I think it's permanent. And it's the Maybelline Eye Express Cream Shadow Sticks. And this one is in number 500 Minty. I don't know if you can tell because of the lighting. So, like it says its name, it's much more of a lighter mint green. I don't have a green paint eyeshadow pencils from NYX, so this is the only one I have. And I'm gonna layer it on right there. There you go, right? This one right here. You see how it doesn't show up? It's not showing up. It is a very light mint green. It's not gonna show as much. It has that, I would say more of a blue undertone in it. And it's very pretty. Okay, the next one I have. These are the only two paint sticks from MAC. They're called, if you go to the MAC store, these are called paint sticks. And grease paint. Well, this one is a grease paint stick, and this one, it doesn't have a name anymore, but I know the name of it. Okay, so this one is called Slick Black, and I think this one came. I don't know if it came in a collection. I don't remember. And I used to have a different one too, but not anymore. So this one is a black one, just like the other one, remember? But this one is much more of a matte black, and this one has a little bit of a glossiness into it. There you go. And you can do a lot of smoky eyes with this one. It's cool. And then this one is, I don't have a name for it, but I know the name. It's Topographic. It was a limited edition, and it came out in the Warm and Cozy collection, which came out a long time ago by MAC, and I'm going to put it right here. It's a taupe color, but it's a mix between taupe and brown. So there you go. Sorry, bad swatch, but there you go. So yeah. So if, let's say for instance that you don't have money to buy a paint pot color, a color for every paint pot to go along with your shadow, just buy these ones because these are way more inexpensive, cheaper, the NYX, because the MAC are pretty pricey. I think I paid either between, it was less than 20, like around I think $16.99. I'm not sure, I don't remember. And then the iExpress, I think it was $5.99. I don't remember, it was a long time ago. So these ones, they have it on sale at Ulta always. Sometimes they have it buy one get one free, or you can buy them at the website, at the NYX website. And these are cool. I love them. Yeah, so that's a good idea, you know, in case you don't want to buy these ones, because these are not cheap, but they last a long time. And the only thing about these ones that I don't like about the paint pots is that once they dry, once air gets in, it dries up really quickly. So you have to be careful with these ones. The Maybelline, I don't have Maybelline paint pots, the eyeshadow base. I don't, so I can't really tell you how it works. But I heard great things about them. So I would suggest investing on these ones, because I think they cost like around, they used to cost $1.99 and then they changed it up to $2.99. But still, like, think about it, 3, 6, 9. Like, if you think about them, these are way cheaper than just one of these guys. So you get more bang for your buck. And these ones, I had them for a long time and they don't even dry. So I would suggest these ones instead. So I mean, this is like, if you wanna save money, you know, I'm just saying, save money, by the NYX. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And I hope everybody's having a good day. My son is sleeping, so hopefully I can do another video. Okay, and if anybody is wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, is the, because I always say what's on my lips, it's the Rimmel Moisture Renew 220 in Pink Chic. That's the name of it. And it's a pinky one, but it's a light pink, much more of a wearable pink than the other one that I have. And then let's see what else. As a top, as a lip gloss, I love the NYX Mega Shine Lip Gloss. And this one is in Pink Frost, number 127. It's very pretty too. Let me give you a swatch, because you guys probably are wondering, like, ladies, it's so beautiful. It's a pinky frost, and it looks very nice on the lips. I love this lip gloss. Yeah, if you guys want me to do a tutorial, just let me know what kind of tutorial you guys want to do. I'm open to any tutorial, but I think I have to do it in either in the kitchen, because I have better lighting, I think, than in here, because right here I have to get really close, and I don't know if you guys can really tell the pigmentation of my colors that I have. So yeah, okay, and bye.